Introduction. JavaScript Switch statement is an efficient way to handle multiple conditions. It is an alternative to using multiple if-else statements. The switch statement tests a variable or expression against a series of values until it finds a match, and then executes the block of code corresponding to the match. Structure of the switch statement. The switch expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared with the values of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. The break keyword breaks out of the switch block. This will stop the execution of code and case testing inside the block. The default keyword specifies some code to run if there is no case match. It must be used as the last condition. Examples of JavaScript Switch. Example demonstrates usage of switch statement to print the name of a day based on the value of the variable day. If the value does not match any of the cases, it prints invalid day. Tips and tricks. Always include a default case to handle unexpected inputs. Don't forget to use break after each case. If you forget, the script will run into the next case regardless of the condition. You can have multiple cases that execute the same code block by omitting the break statement. Switch cases use strict comparison, meaning the data type must also be the same. Error-prone cases with JavaScript Switch. One common mistake is forgetting to add the break statement in each case. Another common mistake is not using a default case. JavaScript Switch is a powerful tool for handling multiple conditions, but should be used with care, keeping in mind the common pitfalls and how to avoid them.